Well, hey everybody, it's Wes McDonald here with another AI FYI, and today we're going to be talking about objection handling and how AI can actually help better prepare your sales teams to get over those objections in the sales process. And I've already created a prompt. The prompt was talking about trying to sell this lead generation software to a customer, and they've had a couple objections. One is price, and the other that they prefer their sales reps to do the heavy lifting on the front end for developing them. So the first thing it does, it actually went through and gave me some great ideas that I can use with the customer in the call to try and get them through those objections. But more importantly, it kind of got me thinking that I can take this even further. And so I talk about prompt layering quite often. And here I've created a second prompt. I said I like the idea of cost savings. I put in some information about what they're paying the sales reps, how much I charge for a sales qualified lead, how much time their sales reps actually spend doing lead generation, and then asked to work out the math to show them how much money I can actually save them. So as it turns out, one thing I like to do with price objections is show them what I'm actually saving them. And you can see here that if they use this service versus letting their sales reps do it, that's going to save them $92,000 every year on their lead generation practices, which is extremely powerful. So that's just one example of how you can actually use it in the objection handling process. And if you'd like to learn more about objection handling and using AI, get in touch with me. I'd love to help. And until next time, keep learning.